Fugitive versus Red Nunda.
Yes. Yes.
Choki, I appear alongside Mr. Arati, who is an accused person for the accused person. Mr. Moraya George and Mr. Onuke are watching me for the victim. Mr. Moraya
is requesting that you be remanded at GK prison for the fact that you are not also. The suspect is a resident of this town, most specifically, this is South, his source to the airport, and he's also your owner, a border chairman. And on that ground, your owner commands quite.
Yeah, come again, because he's a resident of this town. You said he's a resident
of Kisi County, his source to area. And Yona is the chairman. Border group, I'm not certain which part of it is.
Yes.
And he commands quite a group, So you want to avoid tensions in the police stations in Kisi. That is why the investigating officer is praying that he be remanded at GK prison so that he can be taken for mental assessment and then later he can take place.
Okay, so do you want to say something or I proceed?
Yes. We are objecting to the accused being held at GK prison purely because he's a resident of Kisi County and a chairman of a border organization. There are almost 300 chairpersons of border groups in Kisi County. Being chairman of border does not mean that the prosecution disregards the constitutional rights of a suspect or an accused person. He has not taken plea, and cannot therefore be remanded at Kisi GK prison, no matter the circumstances. What my learned brother has told you is stories or evidence from the bar. There is no affidavit to support my learned brother's arguments. And it clearly shows that police officers are not keen on their job. If at this early stage they can be giving up on their mandates to ensure there is peace and order, and you are seeking to have the accused remanded at GK prison. Let him be held at any police station. There is no safer place than a police station. And if there will be any breach of peace, the officers know what to do. Before the matter is taken before the judge, your job is just to confirm whether the accused has had counsel appointed, is already appointed as, and order for a mental assessment to be taken. Those are the issues that can be canvassed before the honorable judge. Application needs to be made when an application for bail or bond is being made, not at this stage. You kindly returning to the police officers that brought him to court today.
Mr. Morande?
What my senior colleague has failed to tell the court is the reason why she should be demanded to speak specifically at a police station. Your Honor.
Just a minute.
The GK prison has a remand section. And Your Honor, the suspect being committed to GK prison is not being convicted. Is not being sent there as a prisoner, but as a remandee. A police station, Your Honor, has a specific number of people it can hold in 24 hours.
Come again?
A police station has a certain people that it can hold for 24 hours before they are brought to court. It is not meant to house those whose other processes can be done while they are held at KCGK prison remand. It's also for his own safety.
My brother is raising issues.
That he be remanded KCGK prison, awaiting mental assessment and critical.
So these are the others. The accused has been brought under the charge of murder, and as the law requires, he should first be taken for mental assessment before the plea is taken. The matter before court is now under the ambit of the court, having been registered in the court system. It is the tradition of this court to remand the accused brought under the murder charges at the KCGK while they await their mental assessment to be done. And this case will not be exceptional. I hereby order for the mental assessment to be conducted upon the accused person at the KC Teaching and Referral Hospital, and in the meantime the accused will be remanded at the KCGK as we await the results of the assessment. Plea deferred to 15th August before the duty judge.
I don't know whether it's possible to have
Tuesday is what I've been informed by Nunda. Tuesday will suffice.
the problem is, Your Honor, traveling on Tuesday.